Okay, so in this movie, we're going to talk about how to reduce product. I know you know this. I just want to make sure and show you two ways to look at the same problem. So let's assume we have this expression. And I want to do this in two ways to show you, as usual, the math has many ways to show the same thing. Okay? And the first rule is when in doubt, expand it out. So what I'm going to do is expand this so we can actually see everything. So this is just like saying 4x times 7 times x times 1.5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can do this. I mean, that's the meaning of powers. I mean, usually we don't do this, but we can. And in the bottom, I have x cubed, so that's x times x times x. Cool. Now I can reduce, okay? I can take 1x with 1x, okay? And the other x with this x. Remember, it's a product, so the order doesn't matter. You can do whatever you want. I can take out 1x with this x, for example. And now let's see what I get, okay? I got 4, 7, and 1.5. That doesn't change. 4, 7, 1.5. I can even multiply them if I want. Not that it's that important. Times, let's see how many x's I've got left. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's left, which means this is x to the power of 5. And this would be our expression at the end. So that's expanding it out. What you really need to do is the following, okay? If I've got 4x times 7x squared times 1/2 x to the 5th, so how many x's do I have to start with? I got 1x in here, and 2x's in here, and 5x's in here. If I'll add everything up, I'm going to get x to the 8th. So what I have is 4 times 7 times 1.5, again, you can do the math if you want, times x to the 8th, same thing, over x cubed. And now, if I want to reduce, I can take away 3x's from the bottom with 3x with the top. So I'd be left with 4 times 7 times 1.5 times x to the power of, if I take away 3x's from the bottom, there's nothing left. If I take away 3x's from the top, I'm left with 5. So to the power of 5. In black is better. Okay, so you can see how both methods leads you to the same way. You can do the left one, but it's preferable that you will understand and be able to do the right one, which is much, much faster. But if you're stuck, if you're, I don't know, having problems, you can always do the trick on the left.